Learning and development are core responsibilities of today's HR teams. When organizations intentionally invest in training and development, they send a clear message that employee growth matters. Thoughtful learning and development planning supports individual performance while strengthening the organization as a whole. Rather than offering training reactively, effective HR teams approach learning as a strategic, ongoing process. Learning and development planning typically follows a 5-step process. These steps help HR teams move from identifying a need to delivering effective training and evaluating its impact. Following this framework ensures that training is purposeful, aligned with organizational goals, and responsive to employee needs. The first step is conducting a training needs analysis, often called a TNA. This process helps HR identify where learning is needed by examining gaps in skills, performance, or knowledge across the organization. It also includes listening to employees through surveys, feedback, or direct requests to understand what training they feel would support their work. Together, these insights guide decisions about what type of training is most appropriate. Once training needs are identified, the next step is defining objectives. These objectives clarify what the training is intended to accomplish and how it should impact performance. Strong objectives go beyond participation and focus on outcomes, such as increased confidence, improved efficiency, or better use of tools and systems. Clear objectives help ensure training is aligned with organizational priorities. Selection focuses on determining who should receive the training and how it should be delivered. Not every employee needs the same training, and not every topic is best taught the same way. HR teams consider whether training should be delivered by internal staff, external experts, or third-party vendors, and select formats that best support the learning objectives. Implementation is where the learning plan comes to life. This step involves delivering the training using the selected format, whether that's a classroom session, an online module, hands-on simulation, or a blended approach. Effective implementation considers the audience, the topic, and how employees learn best. Flexibility is key. What works for one team may not work for another. The final step in learning and development planning is evaluation. Evaluation helps determine whether the training achieved its intended goals. This might include comparing performance metrics before and after training, gathering participant feedback, or observing changes in confidence and efficiency. Evaluation ensures that learning efforts are effective and provides valuable insights for improving future programs. Evaluation isn't just about accountability, it's about learning what works. By assessing training outcomes, HR teams can refine future programs, allocate resources more effectively, and demonstrate the value of learning initiatives to organizational leadership. This continuous improvement mindset strengthens both training quality and organizational performance. Offering intentional learning and development opportunities sends a powerful message. It shows employees that the organization values their growth and is willing to invest in their success. When employees feel supported in developing their skills, engagement increases and retention improves. Effective learning and development planning is structured, intentional, and employee-centered. By following a clear process, needs analysis, objectives, selection, implementation, and evaluation, HR teams can design training that truly supports performance and growth. When done well, learning and development benefit both employees and the organization long-term.